gonna help you.
3, 2, 1.
We're underway here for another match here on Rebuild in the new season for 2026 here, as we see the Vixie for that Red Alliance, that's 7220 Steel Falcon machine, heading over to that station there, picking up all the fuel there. Meanwhile, on that Blue Alliance, Miguel from 7457, that's Super Duper Robotics and their Alliance partner, Kaiji Jones, that's the 589 machine from California, as we see. It's going to be a Blue Alliance lead so far. It's going to be all tied up heading into teleoperated period here. We are still in the period of both hubs being active. That Blue Alliance one will shut off there, so Red Alliance will have that active hub there. As 589 is sweeping center field there, as Ben for 2783, that Kentucky machine there, flurrying fuel into the hub there with their alliance partner 7220. That's the Steel Falcons there out of Michigan. Then another flurry up in it for that Red Alliance, increasing their score up one by one here as it heads over 100 here. Activation on that Red Alliance. Active hub is shut down for that Red Alliance. Now Blue Alliance will now have all the offensive chance here. As Miguel, that Super Duper Robotics machine, and their alliance partner 589 Kaiju Jones, they're scoring, surpassing 100 here. As Miguel flurries another amount of fuel into their alliance partner coming from behind here, as we see that Red Alliance robot 2783 sweeping fuel onto their side. Their alliance partner coming back with another flurry. That Red Alliance hub is active once again. Big collision between both blue robots of 589 and 7457 Miguel there. Another big impact right under the trench zone there. See these Blue Alliance robots sweeping, doing the same strategy here that Red Alliance. 7457 would have got a foul in the real game there due to standing under the shoot there. Red Alliance hub is no longer active there. Blue Alliance has their chance here. Red Alliance was able to put up 160 by the end of that period. That Blue Alliance already surpasses that 161 to 160 now. As we enter 40 seconds left to go in this match. Red trying to play some defense here on those Blue Alliance robot. Miguel not able to get any of those shots flying in. Meanwhile, Kaiju Jones, as we see a blocking foul on Vixie there. That'll be a minor foul there for that Red Alliance. We enter endgame here. Vixie drives right over the hump there as Miguel flurries more shots right into that Blue Alliance hub. Both hubs are active now for the endgame here, as we see Miguel.
I'm defending.
Flurrying shots up and in. Vixie now having to drive against the defense of 589 Kaiju Jones with 7 seconds left to go in this match. Defense is a key here. Blue Alliance in the lead. It's 2. 1 second tie.
Hey, we don't need to fake arms, bro. Come on.
Kaiju just had to